Today, let's talk about comparison of adjectives in Yoruba language. We have big as Tobi. Bigger or biggest is going to be Tobiju in Yoruba. Small is Kere. Smaller and smallest is going to be Kereju in Yoruba. Cold is Tutu. Colder and coldest is going to be Tutuju in Yoruba. Tall is Ga. Taller and tallest is going to be Gaju in Yoruba. When the noun or pronoun is mentioned in a sentence, we use Ju, noun or pronoun, law. Let's look at the sentence examples here. Like we have, Shola is taller than John. Yoruba will say, Shola Gaju John law. Shola Gaju John law. And then my chair is bigger than yours. We're going to say, Aga mi tóbi ju tìrẹ lọ. Aga mi tóbi ju tìrẹ lọ.